By the end of this video, you'll know how to make a professional looking resin keychain or bag charm at home. I'm Valerie from Resin and Roche. Let's get into this full tutorial. Today, the main thing we're focusing on is how to make a full letter R bag charm or keychain start to finish. I'll tell you everything I'm doing and all the little things and bits you need to complete this project. By the way, this is also a great way to make a little bit of money as a side hustle, as they are simple to make and they're very cute and very sought after. It's time to mix the mica powder with my pre-prepared 1:1 resin. I'm using epoxy and not UV resin for these letters. I have found that although UV resin is much easier to work with, i.e. shorter curing time, no waiting 24 hours, I really find that UV resin letters do break apart when they fall or sometimes just rough handling. And you know, these things go onto handbags, so I prefer epoxy even though you have to wait 24 hours for it to cure and then put all the hardware on it. Hope you enjoyed that fast forward. Now I'm going to just pour both colors together on each letter. Remember, my focus here is really just the letter R. But I will use any leftover resin on the other letters for future use. Using a little toothpick, just going to go around, all around the edges to make sure I dislodge any trapped bubbles. And then I just do a little twizzle where the colors meet just to blend it in together. It will move as it cures, so I just want a softer transition. Now let's just move on and use up all my leftover resin on the letters. That's all I've got left for these colors. And off camera, I'm going to pour another green because I've got that left over from the project just before as well. And we'll wait until tomorrow. So I will see you at demold. Hi, we're back. And as you can see, I'm just demolding all of the letters that were poured with the extra resin I had. This V was really thin, and oh no, there's a piece of glitter stuck in it from the dirty mold. I did not notice that, but it's okay. So let me show you the items that we're going to use. First, your keychain, your hardware. You can use a plain one, or this one has a hook for the bag and a separate hook for the keys. Jump rings. Eye screws. I've got different sizes here, but use the one that fits with the hole that your drill bit is making. Some little charms like leather tassels and a pom-pom. I love using these. Just adds a little bit extra to the keychain. And here's my drill. Got this off of Amazon US when I was in California, and I love it. Make sure to use the smallest drill bit you've got. Assorted jewelry pliers. And here we go, let's start drilling. Just get rid of that dust away from my table. I don't want the dust on my table. And then I'm going to use some glue with the eye screw, just to reinforce that eye screw, just to make sure it stays put and doesn't just pop out. using my B7000. You can use E6000, you can use super glue, any glue that you feel comfortable with. The reason why I particularly like this one is it's got a tiny little needle tip, so it goes into the hole nicely. This is running out though. I do need to get a new tube sooner. Screw it on tight. Now for screwing the eye screw, what I do like to do is to place it into the hole and turn the actual piece, like the letter, rather than turning the eye screw, because it's much easier and quicker to just turn the letter until it's snug. Don't over twist because you could break the eye screw. It's never happened to me, but it's happened to many people. There we go. Just making sure it's nice and straight. And there it is. Next, we're going to grab a jump ring. Stuck to my glove because it's not a completely closed circle. It's got a cut on one side, and the way you use it is you grab it with 2 pliers and you just twist down. Keep one stationary and the other one twist down. You don't want to open it outward, or you'll never be able to get a nice perfect circle again. So always twist with one side down, and then to close it, put it back. The side that you put down, put it back up to where they meet again. I hope this makes sense. Let me know in the comments if there's a problem, and I will try and make it clearer for you. Okay, so we've got the eye screw and we've got the jump ring. Now the bottom of this has a lobster clasp. As you can see, that's called a lobster clasp. So all I'm going to do is hook that onto the jump ring. And if you want to be basic, that's about done. But I like to add extra embellishments or charms. So here I'm going to attach the leather tassel and the pom-pom. Again, I'm going to use jump rings. I have jump rings in both gold and silver, and in many sizes as well, because different projects need different sizes. So it's nice, if you can, to get a set with all the different sizes, so you always have something that will fit your needs. So here I go, I'm putting, so after opening up the jump ring, putting the link through, and then closing it again. And I will do the exact same for the tassel. Right here, I'm just trying to figure out where I want the tassel. Okay, I think I've finally decided at this point. I'm gonna put it next to the pom-pom. Again, jump ring, hold one end and push down. There we go. Just opposite directions. Put the tassel in, put it through the keychain links, and then again put them together. So remember, an up and down motion rather than an out and in with the jump rings. And here you have it. I hope you've learned from this, and I am linking everything I've used in the description below should you need a starting point or if you want to use what I've used. So now I'm just using a baby wipe and I'm cleaning up. Keep it nice and shiny for my customer. And then for the final touch, I put it through a card and a resealable plastic bag, so it looks nice and professional. If there is anything that I've forgotten to link, please drop me a comment and I will add the links for you. If you like this video, please subscribe, click on the thumbs up, and of course, if you're really happy, you can go on the link and buy me a coffee. It really helps keep my channel going. Thank you so much. And ta-da! We're all done. So I hope to see you again on the next video. If you'd like to watch my previous ones, you can click on the playlist. Bye bye for now.